Friends, everyone have a question how to convert wedge projection formula into Fisher projection formula. So in organic chemistry, we know that carbon is a central atom and carbon surrounded four bonds, like we say some A, B, C, D. So this molecule in the tetrahedral shape, you know that tetrahedral is non-planar. So when it is non-planar, we have to represent the atoms surrounded carbon by using dotted line and thick line called wedge projection. So here you can see the four examples in front of you. These all are the wedge projection method. So by the wedge projection, we use a normal line, that is A, B in the normal line, and C thick line, that is towards observer, and a dotted line, it is away from the observer. So we are the observer, so thick line means towards us, facing, and dotted line means away from us, that is backside. Okay, this represents tetrahedral geometry. And the point how to convert wedge projection into Fisher projection. So the only trick we have, that how the molecule observed in the wedge projection. So we should stand in between the normal line and thick line, and we observe where the thick line to us, either left side or right side. Okay, in all these four molecules, let us observe from the in between normal line and thick line, and let us conclude the Fisher projection formula. Let me draw Fisher projection, that is having vertical column and horizontal rows. So first of all, whatever the normal line have the elements A and B, those writes on the vertical line, and the remaining we are observing here from this direction. So there is thick line is in the left hand side to us, so that will write in the right hand side. So left is converted into right. Left side in the wedge projection, the element or molecule will be written in the right side in a projection formula. So remaining will come here like this. So first one is converted. So wedge projection into Fisher projection, as well as the remaining three also we try to convert. So first of all, we draw vertical line. On the vertical line, we write from the wedge projection whatever the normal line contains element or molecule. And thing we should observe in between thick line and normal line. So should stand in between there, and then we find there is a thick line is the left side. We should write that in the right side. So you observe first and second molecule, there is a dotted line and a thick line is adjacent. But here thick line and dotted line is not, they're opposite. Okay, anyhow, we observe only thick line and normal line, and thick line is left side to us, so we write that is right side. And let us write here the normal line, we write on the vertical column A and B, and then we observe the thick line and normal line in between we should stand. So we observe this is right side to us, so that in Fisher projection we write left side. Okay, remaining will follow. This is a formula of third one. And last one, let us write. So normal line A and B, we write them as it is. So now the thick line and normal line we should observe, in between them we should stand, and that is right side we find, so that left side we write. So here third and fourth structure, you again dotted and thick line is in the adjacent, but here thick line and dotted line is in the opposite side. Anyhow, the only trick, we have to stand in between normal line and the thick line. Then we observe the thick line is right side. In Fisher we write that is in the left side. So opposite, we are writing the thick line. Only thick line element get changed to the uh, direction. If it is left side in the wedge form, then that will be right side in the Fisher form. That's it. This is a conversion. Hope you all understood. Thank you to all of you.